Dogs seem able to demonstrate a wider range of complex emotions. It is easier to bond with dogs than cats.
It is easier to bond with dogs than cats. Cats see humans as their equals, whereas dogs see us as their masters.
Dogs are much easier to train than cats.
Dogs are much easier to train than cats.
Cats actually have a better sense of smell than dogs.
Despite the common notion that dogs have one of the best noses in the animal kingdoms, the truth is that cats have a better sense of smell. That isn't to say that a dog does not have a very sophisticated system for sniffing out odors. Rather, the cats are just slightly better. Findings from a study in 2016 revealed that cats are able to distinguish between a much wider range of different smells than dogs are. This is likely due to the fact that they have 3 times as many variants of the VON, our protein that controls an animal's ability to separate individual smells. The bigger brains of dogs compared to cats is likely due to their increased sociability.
Cats have relatively smaller brains than dogs.
Cats have relatively smaller brains than dogs.
Dogs have more cortical neurons than cats.
Dogs have more cortical neurons than cats.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.